So I got a call from this guy and he says, do you know Fabio? Who doesn't? Long hair, strong guy. Fabio's huge with Porsches and he wants to get some parts. Long story short, we talk, we chat, we're friends. So we're going out to LA right now and we're hooking Fabio's Porsche GT2RS with some brand new exhaust. So load him up in the truck. We are headed out to California.
Is that a V8? Nope, that's 2 3s.
What's the update?
The update is we're gonna call Fabio, let him know that ran into some traffic. So here we are in beautiful, almost Blythe. We got another 3 hours to go to get to downtown.
Damn, son, they got you on windshield duty?
I'm at windshield. $5.
All right, finally made it here, drove all the way, 7 hours, good drive. At the Tarzana Inn, and you know, it's everything we want it to be. It looks like there's gonna be some RC boat races and some other good stuff. They've got Sautil tile, they've got a gated pool, and I think there's no lifeguard, so we can't swim right now. Another 10 hours, we're up and at 'em. Gonna do some cool stuff to these Porsches, so till tomorrow.
Where we going?
Going to meet Fabio.
There's the man of the hour.
Morning, boys.
Ready for today?
Ready to go put some exhaust on some supercars?
I've been MIA. They can't take my spot before they take me to the grave. Swear it's been too long, yeah, I can't recall your name. I've been working so hard, I'm just trying to get away. Tell me what you doing, won't you tell me where you been? If you got an issue, we can go and solve it then.
All right, here we are at Pirelli P0 World down in Santa Monica. I was actually here about 20 years ago for the start of the 2003 Gumball event. So we're here just waiting for Fabio to come on in. We're gonna start installing the exhaust on the GT2RS. So let's first go back there and let's open the box and check out this exhaust. All right, here it is. This is the FI exhaust for the GT2RS. This is the turbo backed system. Works with the factory valves. We've done a couple of these that you might have seen on our channel, Black GT2RS recently. So let's open this up, check this thing out, and then we'll start getting in it. These are the race pipes. These mount directly to the turbocharger, so they're going to scream. No back pressure. It's going to be really, really loud. So this will be nice once we get this hooked up. We got 2 of these. Got our connecting pipes to go to the muffler. Got our exhaust brackets, so we can mount this thing securely up there. Time for the muffler. There it is, muffler, FI. There's the man himself. How you doing, buddy? Hey. Danny.
Hi, Danny. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Dylan.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Straight through. All right, so now we're gonna flash the GT2RS, but first we have to read out the ECU. This Bosch ECU, we do an ID. So we've got our VR-Tune DIM Sport tool connected to the car. We're gonna ID it, go through the program process, connect it to the computer, download, and then we will get the new file, upload it back, and then this thing is tuned 700 to 800 horsepower like that.
So what are you doing now?
We have to connect the VR-Tune DIM Sport tool to the computer so we can get it set up before we can read out the car. So we need to plug it in for a little power, connect to the internet and get this set up, and then we'll be able to connect it back to the Porsche. All right, for the dim sport device, we have to make sure that the battery is plugged into a charger because it does take about 20 minutes to write. Plugged into the OBD2, so we're going to go through the menu and start flashing the ECU. ECU has been successfully flashed, so now all we got to do is make sure this thing runs. Let's fire it up. Perfect. All flashed. Time to get to the exhaust. All right, so we got the GT2RS up on the lift. They've already pulled the exhaust out. It's a very easy change on these because they got big old clamps right on the turbos. Stock exhaust, very lightweight anyways. So almost done here. You can see the boys there ripping it apart, and then we'll get this new one on, plug in those vacuum lines. We can hear this thing really start to roar. I'm pumped to see Fabio's reaction. I'm even more pumped to drive it because driving these things with the power, it's hilariously fast. All right, GT2RS is done, exhaust is installed, tune is in. Now let's take this thing out and see how fast it really is.